Oh, here's something special. Lamborghini Jarama. Yes, sir. Jarama. Nice. Beautiful.
Yeah.
What year?
72 Targa S, so it's one of 154.
Yeah, I haven't seen one in white. Beautiful. Man, that is just gorgeous. Jarama. Looks like a modern version of maybe the Acelero. You don't see these every day. I saw a couple in black for sale back in the day. This is at least 25 years ago. Pretty reasonable for the time. But yeah, old Lamborghinis. Probably not too easy to maintain, but man, just look at it. You never have to see another one, and it's a shooting brake. The shooting brake. The shooting brake is the best auto design ever. Just so cool. And look at all the switches. Wood steering wheel, of course, leather, and beautiful back seats. Hatchback, not really a hatchback, just a trunk. Fooled me. Looks like a hatchback though. So very cool all around. Huge wheels for the time too. This is very big. I wonder if you forget what all these flip-flop switches do after a while. Probably not. Got a locking compartment there. And no glove box. But hey, who needs a glove box? Alright. Lamborghini Jarama. Jarama. Tell me in the comments what you think. Very, very cool. Oh, it's an S too. Even better. There you have it. Thanks for watching. I'm Drivin Ivan. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Just Google Drivin Ivan in your favorite car. You will find it. Don't see one of those every day, that's for sure. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram and subscribe to I'm Drivin Ivan.